Cybersecurity might sound complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Protecting your business can be as simple as using the right tools. The best part? Many of these tools are affordable or even free. In this episode, I'll introduce you to essential cybersecurity tools and resources that are easy to use, even if you're not a tech expert. These tools will help protect your accounts, devices, and data without breaking the bank. Protecting your accounts. Password managers. Passwords are like the keys to your business. If you use weak passwords or the same password for everything, it's like using the same key for your house, car, and office. If someone gets that one key, they can unlock everything. A password manager helps solve this problem by storing all your passwords securely and even creating strong, unique passwords for each account. Think of it as a digital safe that only you can open. For example, instead of trying to remember store 123 for one account and business 2023 for another, your password manager handles it all. You log in with one master password and the tool takes care of the rest. Popular options like LastPass, Dashlane, and 1Password offer both free and paid versions. The free versions are packed with features that are perfect for small businesses. These tools can also alert you if one of your passwords is compromised in a data breach, so you can change it immediately. With a password manager, you'll never need to write passwords on sticky notes again. Adding a second layer of security, multi-factor authentication tools. Evan, the strongest password isn't enough if someone manages to steal it. That's where multi-factor authentication, or MFA, comes in. MFA adds an extra step when logging into your accounts. After entering your password, you'll also need to verify your identity with something like a code sent to your phone or an app. Think of it like a second lock on your door. Even if someone has the key, your password, they can't get in without the second lock, your MFA code. Free tools like Google Authenticator and Microsoft Authenticator are simple to set up and widely supported by apps and websites. They generate time-sensitive codes that change every 30 seconds, making it nearly impossible for hackers to guess. Many businesses overlook MFA because it seems like an extra hassle, but it's one of the most effective ways to secure your accounts. Imagine someone tries to log into your email account from another country. Without MFA, they're in as soon as they guess your password. With MFA, they'd need physical access to your phone or app to complete the login, keeping your computers safe. Antivirus software your computers are like the engines of your business. And just like you wouldn't drive with a broken engine, you shouldn't run your business without antivirus software. Antivirus tools scan your devices for malicious programs like viruses or ransomware and remove them before they can cause harm. Affordable antivirus options like Norton, McAfee, and Bitdefender provide full-featured protection, including real-time scanning, web protection, and even tools to block phishing websites. Free options like Avast and AVG are excellent choices for those on a budget, offering solid protection without cost. For example, let's say you accidentally download a file from an unfamiliar email. Without antivirus software, that file could contain a virus that damages your system or steals your data. With antivirus installed, the file is scanned immediately, and any threats are blocked before they can cause harm. This small investment can save you thousands of dollars in potential damage. Backing up your data. Cloud storage and backup solutions. Imagine losing all your files. Customer records, invoices, contracts because of a ransomware attack or a hardware failure. That's the nightmare scenario backups are designed to prevent. Backing up your data means making copies of your files and storing them in a safe place so you can recover them if something goes wrong. Cloud services like Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Dropbox let you store your files securely online. For a small monthly fee, these platforms give you plenty of storage space and the ability to access your files from anywhere. Automated backup tools like Backblaze and Carbonite are another option. These programs continuously save copies of your files without you needing to remember to do it. Following the 3-2-1 backup rule is a great strategy. Keep 3 copies of your data, store them in 2 different formats, like on a hard drive and in the cloud, and keep 1 copy off-site. This way, even if your main office suffers a disaster, your data remains safe. Securing your Wi-Fi, router settings, and VPNs, your Wi-Fi network is like the front door to your business's online systems. If it's not secure, anyone nearby could potentially access your network and steal sensitive information. Start by changing the default username and password on your router. Hackers often know the default settings for popular routers. Enable WPA3 encryption, the most secure option available, to protect your Wi-Fi signal. This ensures that only people with your password can connect to your network. If you offer guest Wi-Fi to customers, create a separate network so guests can't accidentally access your business systems. For employees working remotely or using public Wi-Fi, a virtual private network or VPN is essential. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it unreadable to anyone trying to spy on your activity. Affordable VPNs like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Surfshark are user-friendly and provide peace of mind for remote work. Training your team, online resources, and simulated phishing tests. No matter how strong your security tools are, human error can still lead to breaches. That's why training your team is one of the most important investments you can make. Cybersecurity training teaches employees how to recognize threats like phishing emails, avoid unsafe websites, and protect sensitive information. Platforms like KnowBe4 and InfoSec offer affordable training tailored to small businesses. These include interactive lessons and simulated phishing tests, where employees receive fake phishing emails to practice spotting red flags. For example, they might learn to hover over links to check where they lead or recognize urgent language as a common tactic used by scammers. Free resources from organizations like the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and National Cybersecurity Center, NCSC, also provide guides, checklists, and videos that you can share with your team. Regular training ensures that everyone in your business becomes part of the defense against cyber attacks. Monitoring your systems, free and paid tools. Monitoring tools act like security cameras for your digital systems, alerting you to suspicious activity. Free options like Windows Defender and ClamAV offer basic protection and are easy to use. Paid solutions like Malwarebytes and Sophos provide more advanced features, including proactive threat detection and malware removal. For website monitoring, tools like Uptime Robot can notify you if your site goes down, which might indicate an attack. Keeping a close eye on your systems helps you catch problems early before they escalate into bigger issues. Cybersecurity insurance, a safety net for your business. Cybersecurity insurance isn't a tool, but it's worth considering as part of your overall strategy. This type of insurance helps cover costs related to cyber attacks, like restoring data, notifying customers, or handling legal fees. Many providers offer affordable plans tailored to small businesses, giving you peace of mind in case the unexpected happens. Putting it all together, your cybersecurity toolkit. Here's a recap of the affordable tools you can use to protect your business. Password managers for secure and unique passwords. Multi-factor authentication tools to add an extra layer of security. Antivirus software to defend against malware and viruses. Cloud storage and automated backups to safeguard your data. Secure Wi-Fi settings and VPNs for safe online connections. Training programs to empower your team. Monitoring tools to spot potential issues early. With these tools, you can build a strong defense for your business, no matter your budget or technical expertise. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be intimidating or expensive. By using these affordable and effective tools, you can take control of your business's security and protect it from common threats. Thank you for watching, and congratulations on taking these important steps toward a safer, more secure future for your business. Remember, small actions today can make a big difference tomorrow.